Cervical spondylosis, a common age-related condition that affects the joints and disc in your cervical spine, also known as cervical osteoarthritis or neck arthritis. Cervical spondylosis is a disorder in which there is abnormal wear on the cartilage and bones of the cervical vertebra, one of the commonest causes for your neck pain. Cervical spondylosis causes the bones and protective cartilage in your neck are more prone to get wear and tear. That can lead to cervical spondylosis. Some of the possible causes of this condition, which may include dehydrated spinal disc. Your spinal bones have discs between them, which are thick and pear-like cushions that absorbs the shock of lifting, twisting, and other activities. These gel-like material inside the disc can riot over a time. This causes your bones to rub together more, which can be painful. Herniated disc. Spinal disc can develop cracks which allows leakage of the internal cushioning material. These material can press on the spinal cords and nerves, resulting in symptoms such as arm numbness as well as the pain that radiates down to the arm. Bone spurs. These overgrowth of the bones are the result of the body trying to grow extra bone to make the spine stronger. However, these extra bone can press the delicate areas of the spine such as spinal cords and nerve, resulting in pain. Ligament stiffness. The tough cord that connects your spinal bone to each other can become even stiffened over a time, which affects your neck movement and makes a neck feel tight. Injury. If you had an injury to your neck during a fall or a car accident, this can accelerate the aging process, which leads to pain over the neck. Overuse. Some occupation or hobbies involve repetitive movements or heavy lifting. This can put extra pressure on the spine, resulting in early wear and tear. These changes can cause over a time compress one or more of the nerve roots. In advanced cases, the spinal cord becomes involved. People who are working prolonged sitting type of job are more prone to get risk factor that contributes to your cervical spondylosis. Being overweight and not exercising properly can lead to cervical spondylosis. Job that requires heavy lifting of weight over the head, lots of bending and twisting activities on your spine, past neck injuries, past spinal surgeries, ruptured or slipped disc, severe arthritis, congenital deformity, small fracture of the spine from osteoporosis, smoking can lead to be a risk factor for your cervical spondylosis. The risk factor and contributor to the incidence of the cervical spondylosis is age-related degeneration of the intervertebral disc and the cervical spinal element. Spondylosis involves both excessive growth of bone and reactive osteoarthritis. The narrowing of the intervertebral spaces by the former process produces symptoms by compressing nerves that emerge from the spinal cord. These symptoms are worsened when arthritic bone growth further narrows the spinal canal, resulting in three clinical syndromes in which cervical spondylosis present: axial neck pain, cervical myelopathy, and cervical radiculopathy. Symptoms of cervical spondylosis. Most people with cervical spondylosis don't have significant symptoms. If symptoms do occur, they can range from mild to severe and may develop gradually or occur suddenly. Most commonest symptom is pain around the neck and your shoulder blade. Other symptoms may involve stiffness of the neck, difficulty in bending and turning of the neck, spasm around the muscles of your neck, popping sound around the neck, headache, pins and needles in an arm as well as pain, a nagging soreness in the neck, dizziness. May feel stiffness, particularly after a period of inactivity or rest, such as waking up after a nap. Paresthesia. Abnormal sensation may develop such as numbness or tingling. Limited range of motion in the affected joint. Pain that radiates down into shoulder, arm and hand can result from bulging or herniated disc that impinges a spinal nerve. Patterns of cervical spondylosis. It could either be a radicular pattern, vertebral artery pattern, myelopathic pattern, sympathetic pattern, or combination of all. Physical therapy intervention. Your symptoms may be relieved with some simple specific exercises and stretches. Aura Wellness mainly focusing on reducing the pain in a holistic way. Our interventions are based on pain relieving management, soft tissue mobilization, manual therapy to your cervical spine, postural education and re education, safe tackling technique helps to maintain a good ergonomics. Aura Wellness helps you to get relief from your neck pain. We will advise how long and how often you should practice this exercise based on your individual symptom.